Welcome to BTS Disco. How 7 young superstars rewrote music-based rules and became the biggest band in the world. This is a very serious and deep question, says RM, the 26-year-old leader of the world's biggest band. We are talking about utopian and dystopian futures, about how the boundary-smashing hegemony overturning global success of this group. The wildly talented 7 members of South Korean juggernaut BTS feels like a glimpse of a new and better world, of an interconnected 21st century actually living up to its promise. BTS downward magical levels of charisma, their genre-defying sleek but personal music, even their casually non-toxic skincare-intensive brand of masculinity, every bit of it feels like a visitation from some brighter and more hopeful timeline. What RM is currently pondering, however, is how all of it contrasts with a darker landscape all around them, particularly the horrifying recent wave of anti-Asian violence and discrimination across a global. We are outliers, says RM, and we came into the American music market and enjoyed this incredible success. In 2020, 7 years into their career, BTS' first English-language single, The Irresistible Dynamite, hit #1. An achievement so singular it promoted a congratulatory statement from South Korea President Moon Jae-in. The nation has long been deeply invested in its outsized cultural success beyond its borders, known as Korean Wave. Now, of course, there is no utopia, RM continues. There a light side, there always going to be a dark side. The way we think is that everyone that we do and our existence itself, it is contributing to the hope for leaving this xenophobia, these negative things behind. It's our hope too that people in the minority will draw some energy and strength from our existence. Yes, there is xenophobia, but there are a lot of people who are accepting the fact that we have faced success in United States is very meaningful in and of itself. RM is a fan of complexity. He was on the path towards an elite university education before a love of hip-hop. He sparked by an Korean music epic high detoured him into a superstardom. BTS PD, who founded Big Hit Entertainment, now hyped, signed RM first in 2010. A gradually formed BTS group, the rapper's talent and magnetism. When I first met RM, says Bang, I felt a sense of duty that I must help him grow to become a great artist after acknowledging his musical talent and way of thinking. A lengthy recruitment and audition process brought RM his 6 bandmates, fellow rappers Suga and J-Hope, singers Jungkook, V, Jimin and Jin. Jungkook, the youngest member whose multiple talent include an extraordinary soulful tenor, had offered to sign with multiple entertainment agencies, but he chose Big Hit and BTS because of RM. I just simply thought RM was really cool, Jungkook says. I really didn't know a lot about being a singer, but when I saw him rap, I just thought he was really awesome, and I believe it may be the fate drew me to him. Suga and J-Hope were the first 2 members to join after RM, at a point when Bang imagined a pure hip-hop group. Suga was also a fan of Epic High as well as American rappers like T.I. Was already a skilled rapper when he joined, much to his parents' displeasure. They didn't understand rap music, says Suga. It's natural that they were against what I was doing. I think that helped me work harder because there was something I had to prove. Suga revealed battles with OCD, social anxiety and depression. I am comfortable now and feeling good, he says. But those sort of negative emotions come and go. For anybody, these emotions are not the thing that to be hidden. They need to be discussed and expressed. Whatever emotions I may be feeling, I am always ready to express them. With the group's sunniest personality, J-Hope is beloved by his fellow members. I think J-Hope can run for a president of the world, says V. There will be at least 6 votes from us, says RM. J-Hope is a stunning dancer, a surprisingly aggressive rapper, a skill he learned in his trainee days. When I first started training, all the members were rappers, he says. So when we went into the house, beats were dropping, everyone was just rapping in freestyle. It was kind of not easy to adapt at first. Jin, whose background was in acting, was recruited on the street by Big Hit Scout on the basis of his handsomeness. He devoted musical skills but enjoyed joking about the attention to his looks. I want to emphasize for the record that everybody went berserk about how good looking I was, he says on a recent interview on a South Korean TV variety show. At the same time, he was touchingly insecure. A lack in many areas, he says. Other members will learn a dance once and they will be able to dance right away to the music, but I can't. So I tried to work harder so I didn't hold the other members back or to be a burden. V, a fan of jazz classical music, Elvis Presley with a distinct baritone, ended up a Big Hit training by accident after showing up to support an auditioning friend. He was a hidden member who didn't appear on camera in the endless vlogs and other ingenious online promotion that preceded BTS debut in June 2013. Jimin is a virtuous, formally trained dancer who also hits some of the most impossibly high notes in BTS catalog. He has a strong perfectionist streak. Dancing was my own world and my own space, says Jimin, who feels he owes BTS fans flawless performance. For their sake and for their devotion, I should not make mistakes. He also deeply attached to his team. We were very different people that came together, says Jimin. We argue a lot in the beginning, of course, but I think now, because we have spent so much time together, I begin to like even the things about the other members I used to hate. The time we spent together really made us close like a family. No matter where I go, there is some place that I can come back to. I have come to feel that way about our group. RM initial stage name was Rap Monster, officially shortened in 2017. We all have galaxies in our heart. RM once told an arena full of fans. Even my dad, my mom and my little sister too. Even the stray dogs and the stray cats on the street. Even the rocks on the ground, but there are people who will never know this until they die. It's not uncommon for the members of BTS to shed a tear or two while they are addressing fans on stage. The label of what being masculine is an outdated concept, says RM. It's not our intention to break it down, but if we are making a positive impact, we are really thankful. We live in an age where we should not have those labels or have those restrictions. In their early days with their singles No More Dreams and No, BTS wrote directly about the frustration of South Korean youth, who face a lot of pressure and competition in schools and job market. BTS has since learned that their initial message, along with later lyrics that grapple with identity, self-love and mental health. They have addressed the United Nations General Assembly twice. When we wrote those songs and those messages, of course, it was not for some knowledge and awareness for the education system in the United States or anywhere else, says RM. We were teenagers at that time. There were things we were able to say from what we felt and from our experience about the unreasonableness of school or the uncertainties and fears, anxiety that teenagers have. And a common thought and a common emotion resonated with youth, not just in Korea but in United States and West. BTS full name Bangtan Sonyeondan translated to Bulletproof Boy Scouts, and the idea roughly was that they were friends and protectors of youth on almost spiritual level. In December, BTS had another #1 US hit with Life Goes On that stand as the definitive pop response to the pandemic this year. But because the lyrics are almost entirely in Korean, the song received virtually no play on US radio. Its charts position came from the streaming and purchases, and obviously demand wasn't enough for radio to reconsider. RM is still hopeful that particular wall will shatter. If they feel it, I think they will change, he says. The barriers are still breaking down, it keeps going on and on. In the meantime, BTS is following up Dynamite with another English language single, Butter. Like the light-hearted Dynamite, Butter has no heavy message, it's pure swaggering dance pop celebration. In the retro vein of Bunro Mars with the layers of James and Louis style synth. Smooth like butter and having a superstar glow. It's very energetic, says RM, and very summery. It has very dynamic performance. There is clearly more music coming as well. Several Western songwriters who have worked with the group in the past says they are currently in touch with BTS team about new songs. BTS Better song has shattered all his previous records with Dynamite. Thank you so very much for watching my video.